Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're well. I'm back, guys. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, this time I'm back with the Postcard Tycoon. This is a postcard program I joined in 2016. That's when this program was created. Okay, so I've been an affiliate partner for 4 years now. Okay, one of my all-time favorite postcard programs. This program pays you $300 per sale. So every time you refer someone to the Tycoon, you're paid $300. Okay, there's no one-ups, no pass-ups with this one. Okay, but what I love about the Tycoon is you have a website. Okay, which is this page I'm on right now, and I'm going to show you that a little bit further. And what I like also is in your welcome kit, they're going to send you 250 postcards and 250 leads to get you started. Okay, it's one of my favorite things. And then one of my all-time favorite things about them is they have what they call the 5 for life. Okay, the 5 for life. It says it on the card. Okay, 5 for life. After every 5th sale with the Tycoon, they're going to send you 500 free postcards, 500 free stamps, and 500 free leads. That's powerful. Okay, over and over and over. Not just one time. Every time you make your 5th sale. Okay, haven't seen anything like this. Okay. And this is the postcard. Let me show you. Okay, see that side? And then you see this side. And it's in full color. As you can see, I've got gloss on the front and gloss on the back. And this is a thick card. This is no flimsy card. Okay? And I get a great deal with these as well. And I'll give you that resource when you join. So let's just thumb through the website. This is the same website you're going to get as well. So you do get a website with this program. This is Eric Panelon. He's the owner, the creator of the Tycoon. Okay. I met Eric, I guess 2016 is the first time I spoke to him several times. Nice guy. And he's created a few programs that I've been a part of. This is one of my favorite. Because $300, guys, is nothing to sneeze at. Just think if you could get 10 of those a month or 20 of those a month. Okay? That's some good income. You could work from home full time just promoting the Tycoon in itself. And postcards are very reasonable to mail. It's only 35 cents per stamp. Okay, so you can get 100 postcard stamps for 35 bucks. Okay, so let's just thumb through it. I'm going to let you look at this at your leisure, though. But I just want you to see that this website basically explains everything. So you don't have to do any selling and telling. Because when they get the card, it's going to have your domain or your link on it. The company puts that on your master copy, okay, that you're going to get printed. So it will take them right to this page. Now, they also personalize your page, okay? At the bottom of this page, you will have your name and phone number, okay? So if someone has a question, they can give you a call, okay? Tycoon puts 300 in your pocket with each and every sale, as I explained. But yeah, this page does all the selling and telling, so you don't have to worry about explaining it. 5 for life, which I just explained, is very powerful. Okay, and I'm just thumbing through here. You can read this at your leisure, but right here it explains exactly what you get with the Tycoon. Okay, as you go further down, what I think is important they also have a FAQ section. Okay, so just keep going and going and going. See right here, frequently asked questions. So that's why this website does the selling and telling. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I don't know how to explain this to people. I don't know what to tell them. You don't need to. Okay, so if you have someone that you're in contact with, just give them your link. Let them go here. Let them read it. People you need to read. Once you read it, jot down your questions, then contact someone to ask them questions. But I guarantee everything is on this site that explains this program if you read it. Okay, so you'll get this. Now, what I'm going to be doing, and I've been doing, is matching the amount of leads that the company gives you. So when you join, you get 250 postcards and 250 leads. For everybody that joins me, I'm also going to give you 250 leads. Okay, so now you've got 500 leads, so you can start mailing your postcards too. Okay, that will get you going and get the ball rolling. Okay, now what I want to show you is real quick. Well, actually, I want you to listen to this real quick, and then I'm going to show you something new that I've added to this postcard. I've customized this card. All right, so check this out, though, first.
Welcome to the Postcard Tycoon information line. Postcard Tycoon is a complete, all-inclusive business package containing everything needed to generate multiple income streams, yet is so easy that it can be run simply by mailing postcards, leading to a website provided to you that can put $300 in your pocket from each and every sale. You don't need a computer to make money with Postcard Tycoon. The website helps make the sale, and you get your $300 payments in the mail so fast, you'll think your mailbox was your own personal ATM machine. That's right, $300 payments sent directly to you on every sale. Postcard Tycoon does this without any confusing multi-level matrix plans where you have to be a genius just to figure out how and when you get paid, if ever. Our business is based on simplicity. You make a sale, you get paid $300 each and every time, period. Simplicity is beautiful and profitable. Here's more good news. You are awarded bonuses in our 5 for Life incentive program, which gives you 500 free stamps, 500 free postcards, and 500 free names on every 5th sale you make, in addition to your regular $300 payments. With our bonus program, it is entirely possible for you to run your Postcard Tycoon business perpetually without having to spend on postage, postcards, or names again. Postcard Tycoon is a business that is carefully structured to put you first. Our bonus program just mentioned is an example of what we do for you. WTM Publications does not make any money unless you do. So we make it as easy for you as possible. How about that beautiful full-color postcard you got in the mail? If you don't want to wait until you earn a 5 for Life bonus award, you can buy more customized cards with your website information starting at less than 9 cents, but priced as low as 4 cents in quantity. You can't even get a black and white one-sided copy for less than a dime nowadays. Carefully compare our offer to others, and the differences quickly become evident. You will see that they charge so much more for supplies like postcards simply because they do not care about you and they make a living off you buying their supplies. When you get your Postcard Tycoon business package, we include 250 postcards and names ready for you to get started immediately. Our bonus program delivers packets of 500 cards, 500 names, and 500 stamps post-paid to your door free on every 5th sale. All you have to do is put them in the mail. No other business offers you the opportunity to make repeated $300 profits plus bonus awards with 5 for Life on every 5th sale. Only Postcard Tycoon. You could possibly generate $10,000 or more per month, and the hardest thing you'll ever do is just mail out your personalized postcard. Postcard Tycoon is one of the most affordable businesses in America. A tiny 1% return from your included 250 postcard starter pack, 2 sales pays for this business. Can you think of another business that pays for itself so quickly? It is impossible to fully describe this incredible business in this recording. You need to either go to the website on the postcard you received or send for the complete report from the address on the postcard. Get started today, and in about 12 months, you could be retired and living your dreams. We look forward to working with you.
Okay, you heard it yourself, guys. Now that's the recording from the Tycoon. The phone number is on the card. Okay, they just happen to have this button you can click on the website, but if you dial this number on the card, you can listen to it as well. 857-957-1653. Okay, so again, if you're looking for something simple and easy, just mailing postcards, the Tycoon is the way to go. It's $300 per sale. Easy. Now, real quick, I made some notes because I don't want to forget. I have customized this postcard. Okay, as you can see, you've got this guy on the back here. Okay, and this on the front. Now, I've changed and edited this card specific with my picture on it. Now, when you join me going forward, anyone that joins me in the Tycoon, I'm going to put your picture on it. Once you get the master copy from the company, just email it to me. I'll get your picture. I'll put it on the front, and then you can mail it. That's an option if you want to, but I like things personalized so people can realize this is a real program. Let me show you what my new card looks like. Okay, as you can see right here, guys. And I've also edited to put my return P.O. box at the top and then my picture at the bottom. I can do the same for you too when you join me in the Tycoon to make the card more personable. And then let me show you the other side is just the regular side. Okay, and this is the other side of the card, which you've seen before. So we can make that more personalized. I can. That's something I'm doing. That's not the company, so don't contact Eric and say, hey, I want my picture on it. He's not doing that. Okay, but if you join me, I will get your picture on yours for you. And if you want your return address on it, I can get that done for you too when you join me. As well as I'm going to match the leads. As I said before, you get $250 with the program. I'm going to give you an extra $250. And also, one more thing I want to share with you, exciting. Okay, the other great news is I can start accepting my $300 portion electronically, okay? So if you want to get started right away with the Tycoon, I can give you my information. I accept Zelle and Venmo, but you will still need to send a $198 money order to the company, okay? So to get started with this program is $300. That will go in my name, and then $198 will go in the company's name. But if you want to start immediately, I can accept electronic payment. So get in touch with me on that, okay? It's already been confirmed with Eric I've spoken with, so I can do that. So that's a great thing, guys. We can speed this process up, and then what I'll do is email the company my confirmation with a copy of my receipt so they'll know that I actually did receive the payment. So that's another great incentive to get started with me in this program. Not to mention, it's 4 years old. It's proven to work. I've been doing it for years, and I'll be happy to help you get started. With that being said, let me show you I received another payment. Boom, $300 from the Tycoon. Yes. All right, so let's see. This thing works, guys. I keep telling you this over and over. The Tycoon. Okay, I don't want to give out this person's information, but here we go. $300. You see that? Another one from the Tycoon, guys. So this program works. Get started with me in it. Click the subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you in the Tycoon, guys. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.